Hello, this is Grandma's Gone Tech. I would like to introduce you to Morinda, my business partner.
Hello.
Last video we did was actually to introduce you to our channel, Grandma's Gone Tech. Please go at the and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumb up. And today, Morinda is going to teach me the tools that I need to really excel online. Most people of my age group do not really know what they need to actually succeed online. So we're starting from the basics, just the tools that you need to actually go start your e-commerce or your affiliate um, marketing, whatever you want to do online. So please, here's Morinda to show us what we need, the basic tools.
Hi, Agnes.
Hi.
It's good to see you again, and it's an absolute pleasure to help you out.
Thank you.
So to start your journey online as a marketer, there is a basic tool that you need. So today I'm going to show you that you need a laptop, which you already have, but for somebody who actually has no laptop, then you can choose a basic laptop of 16 gigabytes. So one place that I would recommend to go to is Amazon, and all you have to do is put those keywords, laptop 16 gigabytes, which are keywords that will help you, screen through all the stuff. So once you put those keywords, then you have an option here, this one. It doesn't have to be sophisticated, but as long as it got 16 gigabytes, it's just give you the power of the engine of your computer, really. So this is what, £500 in the UK. So this is, but
that's cheaper.
Yes, you can see, much cheaper. So you can really, it doesn't have to be, sophisticated. You have one here for even less.
Great.
So a laptop that contain enough database. So because when you start building up, you will have videos, you will have connection to other tools that we introduce along the way, and all that. It's really to support you with the power of your computer.
Okay. So what else do I need?
Yes. So the next tool you will need is a camera. This is the one that we recommend. But if you don't have money to start with, you can actually start with today in computer, most of them have already a camera.
Okay.
So you can start with your camera, but the more you grow, you can be a bit more sophisticated. And this one we recommend. There's much more that you can go. I would spend too much money on it, but something this one will be a good one to start with.
Okay. All right.
Do you have any other questions?
No, not really, but it's just to help them and see how best we can do, like you've been teaching me and all the things that we've got. So I understand that. So it's important to have a camera and a laptop.
Yes.
Okay. What else do we need?
The next thing will be to have a mic.
A mic.
The microphone is really important, because with a microphone, it's the quality of the sound will be better.
Yeah.
And if you want to keep people interested in your videos
and engaged,
yes, the sound has to be good. Otherwise, they click away, and because the quality of the sound is poor. Okay. So the one that we recommend is this one, 59.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yes. Yeah. So this one is affordable. You got other one if you want to be more sophisticated, but this is the one I will go for.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the basic tools we need is these three, really.
Yes, to start with.
Yeah. So we need a computer, webcast, and then a microphone.
Yeah.
So, okay, so I have those three things, and this can actually launch my online business.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I would like to do is actually, maybe we should talk about that in the next video. But what I would like to do is, guys, if you are serious about your online business, these three basic tools are very, very important. And Marinda is going to put a link at the bottom, within the video, for you to actually go to Amazon, or if you have an Amazon account yourself, please go and look out and find these products if you don't have them now. But if you don't have enough money, laptop is the most important, isn't it? So you can start with just a laptop, and keep doing. Is there anything else you want to say?
No, I mean, as long as you have the laptop and the laptop has a camera, and even if the sound is not too good to start with, but it has to have a camera, and the camera has to be the quality of the camera, should be good so the picture is not fuzzy. It has to be clear. But the laptop and the camera will be step number one.
Okay, so when we have these three things, what type of products or what type of programs can we join online to actually make this work? Affiliate, and what else?
I would say any affiliate programs you can start you can join. The other thing is you can look into e-commerce.
E-commerce.
Yes.
What else?
Or printables is another one.
So and what else?
Oh, there's so many, but I think to start with, let's focus on just the basics, which are having the laptop and setting the system, your business properly.
Okay.
And then we introduce you step by step. We'll introduce you to the different products.
Brilliant, Marinda. So in other words, this is the basic, but to do all those programs you say we can do, we are going to make more videos to show you the basic and simplest way of actually doing the whole, connecting online so that you can start your own business and earn some money. So as I said, this is Grandma's Gonna Take. You need to subscribe to my video so that you'll be able to see me when I earn my first $10. $10, my dear, so that I know that it works. And Marinda is here with me, and every single time we make a video of basic things that people like me can do so that they will be able to earn money online as well. And for the time being, from me and Marinda, we say bye.